Good morning, Blue Gang. Today I'll be dropping a breakdown on gold and GPP for the week, what I think the weekly candle should do, and why I think gold and GPY is headed to. Now, let's clear up all our charts and let's see what we have here. Now, looking at my chart, this is the weekly time frame. The week already started moving already. So, looking at my weekly time frame, going to my left hand, where do I see my nearest support? Which is here. I have a support level down here. So I mark up my support level. I mark up my support. Where I see my resistance on the weekly, this is here. I mark up my resistance. So let's go to the daily because we might adjust our support and resistance since we are trading off the 30 minutes. So you can see the daily resistance kind of match. You can see it's kind of match. So we're going to the 4-hour time frame and then look for 4-hour support and 4-hour resistance. Now looking at the 4-hour, we have a support down here, which is a possible sell if price break below the structure. So we can have a possible sell when price break below the structure. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame and let's see what the 1 hour is doing. Now you can see there's a little range in this zone here. There's a little range here. You can see there is a range. Price moving. Price that left the zone has come up. It's trying to get back into the zone. So there's a range here, and this range should be avoided. So what do I want price to do? Since the overall trend is bearish from the weekly time frame down to the daily, you can see a very strong bearish move. You can see it price forming lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You can see we're in a strong down trend. So what you want price to currently do now, since I'm looking for a sell. So I should be looking for sales and buyers to sell. So what I want price to do now, I also have a support level down here. So I want price to break below the support level before I enter a possible sell. Now, in order for me to get into my sell, I need price to let me let me draw my buy. For buys, I want price to break above this level here before I start looking for buys. Now, in order for me to look for a sell position, which is my today's buyers, let me put on my sell. So in order for me to look for a sell, I need price to break below my structure and give me some confirmation that price is moving towards my sell signal, and I'll get in for a sell. Now for a sell, I want price to break below this support level, a bearish candle closure below the support level, probably with a week, a long week or a short week. Then I need like a bearish open with a retest, but the retest shouldn't break above the previous candle. There should be a retest like half of the candle or a little. Let's just retest this zone, this support level which has been broken. So after the retest, price should come downwards, and when it's coming downwards, at the flip or at the break of the current low, that's where I'll take myself for this zone. And the zone is around 60 pip, a very big range. You can see there's a lot of volatility in the market currently now, so a very big range for a sell. This is 30 minutes time frame. So this is what I'm looking for on gold. That means for me to sell the market. Now for a buy, since like I said, the overall bias is buy. I can't be looking for buy at the break of this resistance or the break of this resistance. So I need a very clear. So this is my first zone, second zone. So I need a break above this zone. And you can see you have clean candles on the left hand side. So this is where I'm looking for my buys. I need price. So when price come above that level and breaks above, the same thing goes to for the buy for the sell position. So I need a clear break above with a weak rejection, bottom at top and bottom, a retest of the zone, then read back up, and at the flip, by the flip, that's something I want how I want price to do in order for me to buy this trade. So that's it on gold. I hope that was helpful. Try to make it as simple as I can and as easy as it is for everyone to probably make opportunity and make money on this trade. And looking at Euro GBP, which I said we're looking at GBPJPY. So let's go to GBPJPY and let's see what price is doing. Now currently price is already on the move. I was looking at buys before above this zone, but it's already moving. So let's work our way through from the weekly time frame and let's see what the weekly is telling us. Now you can see today is Monday and price has already moved over 60 pip, even below our recent support level, which is down here. This is our recent support level. So price has already tap TP, our take profit level. So nonetheless, let's break it down and let's see. And mind you, you can see the weekly have no previous week had no bottom week and the current weekly candle have no top week. So there's a possibility of price coming back up to test this level of support turn resistance, which is going to turn resistance if price will test it before it might continue its downtrend because it's also on a downtrend. So let's look at the monthly. Let's actually see what is going on the monthly time frame. Now you can see the current monthly time frame is bearish as well. You can see it. Just actually tap the daily support, which is down here. So we expect price to kind of range in this zone since it has gotten to our daily support already. It has tested our daily support. But let's see what we can catch on the market since we trade the lower time frame at all. So now let's go over to 4-hour time frame, which I am now. And there's nothing going on in the 4-hour time frame. So let's go to the 1 hour or the 30 minutes and let's see if we can see any opportunity in the market that we can get in. Now, looking at the 1 hour time frame, I can't see a very good support close to this zone apart from here. And I don't want price to move that up before I enter the position. Now, since my bias is sell, what I want price to do is kind of come up to this level because this is a minor support. Come to this level and probably test this zone or break above, then come down, give me some kind of, let me just draw what I want price to do. It's better that way. So I want price to probably come up like this, come up, come on my candles, come up, probably break above this zone, then bearish candle back into the zone, breaking below the previous candle, giving me a bearish candle like this. Then the next one should break above, then the break of the low. I'll probably look for a sell. The break of this low, previous low, that's why I'll probably look for my sell position. The price to cover this entire range back to the floor, and which is around um 40 pip. So this is exactly what I'm looking for in the market. If I can see something like this, it should be nice. And mind you, you can see that this is where price open. This is the opening candle, and like I said, price has given us no top week yet. So this will be price creating the top week for us to continue to the downside. So that's exactly what I'm anticipating and looking at on GJ for sell. But let's see how price plays out and let's see if you can get this kind of opportunity in the market. If you do, it should make things easier for us to execute our trade because we are already seeing the outcome of what is going to happen. This is what I'm expecting price to do for us, allow for us to go for a sell. So that's it. And I think that's all for gold and GPY. Stay tuned for more analysis and stay tuned for more breakdown on the trade. Have a wonderful week trading. Peace out, Blue Gang.